Sanbonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ngiyingane yamakhehla madala, amakhehla makhulu, amakhehla mahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyawamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. Happy Valentine to everybody out there, whether you believe, whether you don't believe, but it's Valentine's Day. I don't know umlando Valentine, kodwa I'm just saying to everyone, happy Valentine's Day. And because of it's Valentine's Day, I'm going to respond to a comment. There is someone on the comment section who asked about being ingane eyembethwa amakhehla, then you are somehow attracted to women, like there's this person that you like and all of that. So I'm going to share my own experience as umntwana ombethwe amakhehla. And I want now, this is going to be like a conversation, and I want people to comment section and share their own views. If now uhamba namakhehla or uhamba nezalukwazi, because of kunabantu besilisa abahamba nezalukwazi, kunabantu besifazane abanjengami abahamba namakhehla. The relationship game is not so easy. Kodwa into emnandi is that because of you walk namakhehla, you think like a man. You act like a lady, but you think like a man because of kunezinto abazokubonisa zona. So let's start. Ukuphakama komoya kwami. Obviously, my voice is big. Ekhaya babona ukuthi hayibo lo ikhehla leli livukile ngaphansi again. Yebo ikhehla livukile. Ngiyalamukela leli khehla. Layichaza leli khehla. Simple as that. But the question now was, since you understand manje ukuthi why uMagaziwe ekukhuleni kwakhe bekingathi utomboyish? Why ekukhuleni kwakhe bekungathi nje ilo mntana nje ongathi uyitomboy? Kanti cha, le ngilosi eyekhehla, lo moya owekhehla bengihlezi from esizalweni sami ngihamba nawo lo moya. But kwafika-ke mase ngisevasithi, because trust you me, in high school I did have a boyfriend, but my boyfriend was probably in grade 8 when I was in grade 9. When I was doing my matric, my boyfriend was doing grade 11. So bekungasu ulumjolo or serious. But trust you me, I did have ubu feminine, like meaning I would do my hair, relax my hair, and wear dresses and all of that. I would love to just look pretty also, because of why the friends that I had nabo bekwabantu nje abathanda nice makeup and all of those things while I was growing up. Cool. Come varsity, ingilosi phakama kakhulu ke manje, and njengoba iphakama kakhulu le ngilosi manje, sengiyaqala ke manje ukuthi nami I just accept who I really am, and then nayo ngathini iphakama ngale ndlela ukuthi iyazini it takes over. And when I say it takes over, sengiyahlala ke manje ney'nywele zami ngiyagonda. I remember first year ngagonda i-chiscop zakhula kodwa iy'nywele. And then I didn't care much about how I look. I wasn't that mascara girl. I wasn't that type of a girl. But I realized ukuthi geez, I am a prayerful person. Ingilosi yami manje take over because of I have transitioned to this person. And being say you I would see other people who title or who has described themselves as lesbians approaching me and saying, hey, I like you, I would love to date you. But to be quite honest, I was never into women like that. Even in my school, in a girls' school, I had a friend very close to her, would hug, would kiss, but I wasn't that into that person because of in a high school being here, my boyfriend. It's just that my boyfriend was not umuntu or fasting aleyo ndlela leyo besibancane. I want people to understand, hence I'm going way back. So as I grow in the spirit, kumele kucace manje. I am born as a woman. I am born as a girl. And there's a reason why God made me a woman. I believe that God wants me to multiply at some stage of the game because of angicabangi ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ukuba yimina kugcine ngami mhlambe kumele ngibe nengane in the future and all of that. I believe that because of one of the people that I've met who ended up being my coach, who just told me ukuthi yazini you need to be able now ukuhlukanisa between wena nesiphiwo sakho. And by that, isiphiwo sakho uyohlezi uhamba naso sihlezi sinawo all the time. But manje, if God really wanted you to be a man, you were going to be a man from isizalweni sakho. But God made you a what? A woman. And yes, abantu would say a lot of things ukuthi mina vele my character, I come across as a male, I command, ngiyachikana, I am just that guy. Even in my place, in my home, kaziwa nje ukuthi mina ngivele nje ngibeka umthetho and then that's it. I say this and this must go. Not to say I'm arrogant, but leli khehle ngihamba nalo lifuna into ezi-straight, lifuna into ey'qondile nje, hhayi okuya le nale nale nale. So now I want people now to be like me or reflect on this because of you have this gift. Uyatshelwa ukuthi lo moya ohamba nawo le ngilo sohamba na lesithunywa esiqubukile ngaphakathi kwesimo sempilo yakho, it comes as a male. Wena umuntu wani wesifazane. But does that mean ukuthi kumele manje this spirit or this angel that you're walking with kumele si-dominate impilo yakho yonke ke manje, and then nawe ube yindoda, then end up having women, marrying women, and that's you right now. That's when you have to reflect about self because of me. I have reflected about self. I'm not into girls. I don't want to lie, I'm not into girls. But the most interesting part is that yes, I'm into guys. But manginabantu besilisa, umuntu wesilisa kuzomela ukuthi angi-understande because of ngile nhlobo ngingathi ngizokuvakashela namhlanje kodwa kusasa ekuseni ngifuna ukuhamba. Ngile nhlobo nje efuna izinto ezinjani ezi-straight because of, like I say, I think like a man, but I act like a woman. I am a lady because of ey'ntweni eziningi. And I would say maybe the people that I've dated, some of them have just experienced ubunzima because of why I'm not an easy person to impress. Angeke uzungi-impresse ngemali, cha. That's not my love language. And most of the time, if you're just gonna want to throw money at me, I'm not that type of a girl. I need attention. I need quality time. I need you to spend time with me. And when I have money, I can buy you stuff. I can bless you. So ngathini ubu-masculine bami buvele nje bubonakala kuma-relationship. But with growing up, with the experience, you learn to just calm down, and allow the next person to do things for you. Because I'm at a point where in a relationship now, I allow the next person to do stuff for me, but akuhlali kahle kumina, angikujwayelanga, akusinto engiyithandayo. But the nice thing is that amakhehla engihamba nawo ayabuya athini, yes, this person is doing stuff for you, but do not depend, unganciki kuyena, because of should anything happen, because people can disappoint you. So to the people, I'm not saying those people who are lesbian, are not lesbian bayazenzisa on and stuff, or people who are gay bayazenzisa and all of those things. Cha 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 cha. Ningizwe kahle. I'm speaking to abantu abambethwa amakhehla, even nabantu besilisa abambethwe yini izalukwazi. Umuntu owesilisa ombethwe izalukwazi, you will even see how they act. They cook, they do most of the chores, like they're active nje, you know. I've dated someone embethwe izalukwazi, mina ngimbethwa amakhehla. So beautiful, so nice, because of mina angikwazi ukupheka, mina ngivele ngithi hayi angipheka. But you know, that person akana problem because of we balance each other. Zombona epheka ayenza yonke into and not even feeling bad. Makuyisikhathi sokuthi I show up and this person shows up. Akakhala athi hey. Mawuthi ubheka abantu besilisa banamhlanje, like the people that I've dated previously on, they'll be like, intombazane engapheki, intombazane engayenzi niks, intombazane efuna ukuziphathisa nje okwendoda and all of those things. Trust you me, I am a female, but ingilosi ebusayo engihamba nayo, engihlezi ngihamba nayo, trust you me, it's a male. So nje, but azange mina ngivume ukuthi ngoba ngihamba ney'ngilosi yendoda, ngoba ngihamba nekhehla, nami-ke manje sengizozenza ikhehla lentombazane. Cha. And then from time to time when I speak, and then my voice changes. And then it shows that I have this gifting. Ngihamba naye lo muntu engihamba naye, le ngilosi engihamba naye akujiki kuzomela ukuthi ungamukele ngale ndlela engiyona. But if I have to look the part now, I definitely make sure that I look the part. Simple as that. Yes, ngiyathanda ukuba simple, ngiyigqokele nje kahle. Angisiyena umuntu amakwayikwayi, yes. Angisiyena umuntu e-makeup, yes. But I am a woman, guys. I am a woman and I'm interested in what? In men. Injalo nje, simple, straightforward. So I want other people who are like me, nabo abambethwa amakhehla, abambethwe izalukwazi. You don't have to now take a gift and yazini ivele nje itake over ngale ndlela ukuthi hayi nawe sovelo uzenza lelo khehla. Because personally mina, when I walk in the streets, I prefer people to call me by my name. Just call me by my name, Magaziwe or Pumla. That's my name. That's a name that I was given by my parents, Pumla, meaning I'm last born ekhaya, baya Pumla ngam. That's it, Magaziwe, given by my grandmother. Injalo nje, injalo. It's even when it's consultation time, when people are like, yo, I don't know how to address you. And then I'll be telling people, no, you can address me. Like, umoya wakho, what do you see when you are talking to me? Uboni khehla, uboni salukwazi. Because of the honest truth is that angihambi namakhehla kuphela. Nazi izalukwazi zinjani? Zikhona. And izalukwazi ke yizo ke ey'thanda nazo ukuhamba phambili. That's all. But amakhehla will always want to dominate, because of, I believe when God created me, uvele wathi lalela wozani la nizohamba nalo, then izalukwazi nazo zizolandela ngemuva. Simple. So kuzomele ukuthi uma uyingane yamakhehla oyingane yezalukwazi ukwazi phela ukuhlukanisa, usemhlabeni uyaphila. God's purpose, why did God choose ukukwenza umuntu wesifazane kodwa uhamba namakhehla? Why kuchoose ukuba ukuthi ube umuntu wendoda but uhamba nabantu nezalukwazi? What does that mean? Kuchaza ukuthini? Because I'm thinking about something now. I have a friend, vele umuntu wesilisa ne, but unobusalukwazi. Makazi uzokuchika njengesalukwazi. But trust you me, that person is very straight. That person is into women and is not a gay. So ngiyacela abantu abaphiwe isiphiwo lesi sethu esiphiwe sona. If you're gifted spiritual, hamba namakhehla, hamba nezalukazi, kuzomela ukuthi uhlukanise. And let me tell you something, angeke ukwazi ukusithatha isiphiwo sakho sibekele eceleni. Some of the things vele they are part of your default. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina ama-weave, I don't even own a wig. I don't want to lie. I don't even own any wig. I did put on makeup in varsity ngizama, but it's a personal decision ukuthi I don't even have makeup. I'm going on a date because it's Valentine's and then I need to push on myself. I don't have makeup. How I wear, the people that I walk with, they are just people abadala nje abathanda izinto ezi very, very much simple, not complicated things. But bayangazi mina ukuthi I love nice things, beautiful things. I love them. So now wena othi unamakhehla but you are attracted to this person, I really want you to dig deep. I really want you to pray, and so that God can even show you more and more and more about yourself. Ungavele nje uthathe lento ye-gift, because of I've seen a lot of young people, yes, ubizwa ukuthi ugogo zibanibani, umkhulu zibanibani. And then let me tell you something, the more people say things to you bathi mkhulu, gogo, already they are manifesting loyo mkhulu loyo gogo loyo, kuzohlezi kuqhamuka yena njalo. Nawe mohamba ufuna uku-addresswa as umkhulu, ufuna uku-addresswa as isalukwazi, ufuna ukugobela, ufuna ukuthotshelwa, ufuna ukwenziwani, already nawe impilo yakho nje, it's going to manifest like that because of this power in the what? In the tongue. Hence, when I introduce myself or when I explain myself, ngiyasho ukuthi ngiyingane yamakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. God made me, and God made me special ngendlela yakhe. But labantu engihamba nabo at some stage of the game, when I speak, they want to speak through me. Good, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it happens naturally, and then that's it. Does that define me now? Ukuthi hayi sengiyindoda manje, sengiyi-lesbian manje? Cha. I am not confusing myself. So now ungazi-confuse just because of une-gift uhamba namakhehla. So thina hayi vele wena yonke into yakho komele kube ngathi uyikhehla. Ayi uweke ozixakekisayo, ngoba khona manje ufuna ukuphila njengalela khehla lakudala, ufuna ukuphila impilo yakudala ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukuphila impilo yakho. Learn to ukuhlukanisa. Learn to also reflect and also pray so that you are able to understand your gift properly. I understand my gift because I know ebungomeni bazothi waliphuza waliphalaza or wafa and then you became this new person. I was born with the gift. I was born Magaziwe Pumla, and God has hidden my gift, and what in Magakul, this gift will show up. So I didn't die and then someone woke up from me. I just continued to grow, and the person that I am in the spirit, in the physical, showed themselves, hey, I've been here, I've been walking with you, I'm walking with you actually since birth. So as a traditional, you die and then someone comes through you. So we are changing manje, so ugogo, yonke into so ugogo. On my side, mina I'm born with it. Ngihamba nayo. Hence ngithini, I didn't have to go somewhere to get initiated. As you grow, it just shows up. As you grow, it just manifests. God controls ukuthi ngesikhathi esiso kuzoba so, ngesikhathi esiso kuzoba so, and it's so beautiful because of what ngiyiwe. Simple as that. Even nomuntu ongihlangana naye yilovela ke ukuthi hayi wena uhlengiwe. At some stage of the game, they will come and tell you what needs to happen. So ngicelela bonke ke abantu out there. I'm not saying awekama gay, awekama lesbian, but sengikhulumela abantu abaphiwe traditionally, abahamba namakhehla, abahamba nezalukwazi, abambethwe amakhehla, abambethwe yizalukwazi. Reflect, dig deep. Ungaveli uthini ngoba hayi mina kuthiwa ngihamba namakhehla so nawe usuzoba yikhehla. Mo hambe mall. Mina, when people meet me at the mall, they just greet me, hey, how are you? Some people will want hugs, some people will just want handshakes, some people don't even approach me, but they will send me DMs and say, yo, I saw you, but I was afraid to approach you. Simple as that. And then when they see me, hi Magaziwe, hi Gogo, hi Mkulu, I just say, hey. That's it, because of at that point in time, that person is communicating or ngathini reacting to what they see mangihamba nje mina emgwaqweni la ngihlala khona, la ngisebenza khona. They know me ukuthi hayi, this is Phumla, this is Magaziwe, and then that's it. Ngesikhathi makumele ngisize abantu, makumele ngikhuleke, makumele ngenze konke, bese-ke ikhehla liyaziveza, lenze umsebenzi. Mase kumele lingishiye, liyangishiya, because of, I know a lot of people have so many questions. I remember even at work, even at school, they'll be like, hey, wena ngoba bathi unekhehla, uhamba nekhehla, so ikhehla lakho, was your khehla gay? Because of, why would you be interested in guys but uhamba nekhehla? Yabo, kumele uhlukanise. Ikhehla, uphumla. That's it. Ikhehla livanga ngesikhathi, ikhehla lenza umsebenzi ngesikhathi. Mase wenzile umsebenzi, limele eceleni. Simple. So uyabona ukuthi abantu ke uvela uthatha isipho sakho usihlanganise, usithwale ekhanda, usenze wena ke manje. So people say bayasaba manje ukuthi, and like people even ask me weird questions ukuthi, what happens when you're with your partner, when you're in a relationship, when you're in the bedroom? Like, what does it hurt? I'm just like, oh, these people. I am normal like everyone else. I am just normal like everyone else. Normal. Yeah, good, everything in a scat side. If I'm supposed to go out and enjoy and be with my partner, I be with my partner. Oh yes, makuyisikhathi sokuthi kumele sithandaze, siyathandaza. If isikhathi sokuthi ayike siyalala, siyavuka, I am a normal human being. But mangabe kukhona that my people are trying to communicate with me, or contact kumele ngibonisane, or khona into eyenzakalayo, I will definitely transform. So happy Valentine's to everyone. Please leave your comments down below and share your own experience. If umntana uhamba namakhehla, if umntana uhamba nezalukwazi, share your own experience. My experience is that I am Phumla, I am Magaziwe. I am special in such a way with the people that I work with from time to time. If needs be, they will show up through me. It's like when I'm praying, when I'm helping people as a healer, I'll be speaking, and then bafuna ukuvela, but similar. But other than that, on a normal day, I'm just normal. It's just that if I'm about to give an advice, trust you me, my advice is going to be deep. If I have to speak, I am not going to reason only from substance. Ngizobe ngikhuluma even ngizojula. Mina eyami advice iyajula ngoba ngizofuna ukuyimamela inkulumo yakho bese ngizama ukujula, ngingenelele with just the hope of healing and just changing your perspective. I love you so much, guys. Akube nobumbano, nozwano, nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu, and enjoy your weekend. Mwah.